Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week, our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring during the next week. This week, traders will turn from Greece and Eurozone headlines to focus on Janet Yellen's testimony to the U.S. Senate Banking Committee. Yellen's 2 days of testimony on Tuesday and Wednesday could cause some volatility in the markets. Traders will look for Chair Yellen's comments to suggest that the FOMC believes it will soon approach employment conditions that are consistent with its employment mandate. The Fed believes that lower oil prices are a net positive for economic activity, but Yellen may comment on the downside risks for reduced consumer price index and employment in the oil patch. In assessing the impact of global factors on the U.S. economy, it will be interesting to see if she focuses on positive international developments, such as increased ECB accommodation and lower oil prices, or negative developments such as softer global growth and a stronger dollar. Turning attention to the U.S., the week kicks off on Monday when data on existing home sales is issued. In terms of economic data, on Tuesday, Case-Shiller releases measures on home prices, while data on consumer confidence is issued together with a regional activity gauge from Richmond. The Home Price Index should confirm that modest growth is occurring. On Wednesday, the usual weekly data on home purchase and refinancing is issued with January figures on new home sales. The complication with the home sales data, and common to other indicators at present, is the impact of the severe winter weather in crimping activity. Home sales are expected to have fallen by 1.3%. On Thursday, data on durable goods orders is issued together with the consumer price, with the usual weekly data on claims for unemployment insurance. Durable goods orders is expected to show a healthy 1.7% lift after falling by 3.4% in January. And on Friday, the second estimate of economic growth in the December quarter is released with pending home sales, consumer sentiment, and the Chicago Purchasing Managers Index. The focus in China will be the flash manufacturing gauge for February to be released on Tuesday. Once again, a mild contraction is forecast with a reading of 49.5.